do a bit apple shooting and bird sound. So let's start with apple shooting. 3 each. And it's not gonna be a soft video because you know how to from the other side. And I want to say one more thing, that Ramadan is starting day after tomorrow. So if you guys don't know, then now you will know surely, because this came in like I know about the United States. In the Arab countries it will start on this thing on Thursday. So yeah, and let's get into the video. Oh, right now, right, good. That's like a flipped. Oh, remember that golden chain guy? Oh, perfect. Right now, pretty good, you know. Perfect shot. Got an axe, a bit less power. That's a bit less power, a lot less power. I want a boomerang, you know. Okay, starting was great, ending is baddest. Not gonna hit, nah. So this is how the game works. Like you gotta shoot on the head. This, like you gotta hit the fruit at least. So yeah, oh yeah, because she's a rider of the aeroplane. And we have beat no tanks. Now let's go for the bird hunting. Last video I think so I saw none. No, I saw it in one video. Now what is bird hunting? This time we're gonna do the bird hunting. There's a gold chain, a gold chain, a gold chain. Okay guys, so let's check out. So birds versus the gold chain. Blood, blood, blood. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go! I don't like this guy because he throws money and all that bad stuff happens. Oh, that's cool the way that was. Oh, I killed 3 birds? No freaking way! That weapon is the best to kill birds. Gotta say. Hello, oh, that marshmallow. Gonna get that clock. Yep, what's that? The doctor. There goes the green arrow. Well, there goes the guitar guy. Oh, and another guitar guy, but with money. No. Okay. I know the power, because like I'm gonna throw it like that, and then. Oh, you can't press once it touches someone, so that's bad. More flags. A lot more flags. There goes his actual weapon. So, oh, that was useless. Oh, that should hit. No. Gonna get that timer. Oh, yeah. 10 seconds. Ooh. Okay. Nobody's coming. That was an unlucky one. Oh, what? Oh, that's the mobile. Okay. Take the timer. No! I was so close to get the timer. Come on, man. Hardly any birds are coming from. Oh, that should have been like 2 of those. Oh, got that hit over there. No, I think so. Now that's gonna be it for this match probably. But it's quite fun, you know. Just gonna throw as much as I can, kill. Oh, okay, that's the plan. And done. Okay, so my highest score is 14 for now onwards. So, hello from the other side. Other words that you can hear from background, you know, it's daily. Okay, so now let's go to the apple shooting. You know what, let's go for real match. I just want to show you guys what this like, the power does. Like this guy is new. I just watched it. I saw the big face guy. I just subscribe to them on Instagram. So, briefcase versus. I'm not sure whom it is. Oh, it's the daily guy. It's okay. I don't know what he does, what's his power type, but let's. Oh, that's the perfect headshot. That would have hit it. Okay, so he throws chairs like WWE, you know. Those people pick the chairs up. I think those people, because many of the people pick the chair up, and I think such a hit. Wow, there's money inside the briefcase. I hope that rains the money when you finish him. Few more hits to go, and that did not. Oh, that did hit, but look at the damage it did to my face and actual damage it did. Okay, the money is literally coming off the briefcase. Warning, never try the briefcase! Steals your off. That must be painful. But hardly does any damage, so I think so this won't work. Yep. Never mind that one. So I just gonna let me play this match. Then I'm gonna go. Oh, that ruined my whole face, you know. The beauty of my face is gone. And I'm lagging. Yep. Oh, look at this face. I need to get the right angle because exploring the empty is better than your daddy. Wow, he's getting some hits on me, and look at me, I'm so thin. I'm so fat, little guy. Ooh, is that it? Nope. One last shot. That was a perfect hit. I don't think so that's gonna. Oh my god. Oh, headshot. Finish him. Last shot, please don't miss because I don't wanna see. How do you finish people? Oh, barely touched it and I knew it. I was just thinking of it happening to happen. Wait, no way, that's brutal. You literally, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this guy. How rich can he be with that much money? He literally threw money, gold bars, and last but not least, the gold in that locker, you know. So guys, I just come in a few minutes till that. Peace out. So guys, unfortunately, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Till that, peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my friends, Xmarker107 and KillerSider10172. Till that, peace! Share the video. If you are new, then subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that like button. Till that, peace out.